A good day to all. I, the principal of DCG International School, wish to offer a few valuable insights that we believe in, especially in times when physical interaction is limited. Times that have allowed us to ponder over the various aspects of education sector, especially because of the paradigm shift after the pandemic. So as a leader, I do need to think on ways that bring in the culture and climate for experimentation and innovation. We at DCG International School have always believed in adopting good practices for overcoming any kind of learning deficit among students, as also to fulfill the aspirations that parents have of us. As a school, we are responsible for leading learning by creating a conducive environment and making learning a part of the school's culture. I fully understand that my team of teachers, or as Robert Frost called them, the awakeners, have to continuously scaffold the learning so as to give a 360-degree view of the content that they teach to the students. This would also make students happy because of the enriching learning experience that it entails. The CPDs, which is an absolute must, also allows them to go beyond the cocoon with books approach, and it stimulates the children's critical thinking. Regular brainstorming sessions also allows the teachers to collaborate and adapt to the evolving academic landscape. This makes them integrate the subjects to make learning more meaningful. The proactive roles of our teachers allows them not only to inspire the students to learn more, but also fires up their young minds to think out of the box. We need to understand that even when the schools do reopen, the learning must be blended with both on-site and off-site instruction. This is the need of the hour. Since the present pandemic has been an eye-opener and such situations might recur. So in that case, if we are not prepared to take the bull by the horns, the children's future will definitely be jeopardized. We also believe that children need to make use of flipped classrooms, whereby they receive some of the direct instruction outside of class through pre-recorded video tutorials. These can be rewatched at their own time and pace, and this also allows more time for the teachers to give as far as feedback is concerned, or to guide them on creative projects is concerned. With the onset of fourth industrial revolution, in the years to come, we will see the unskilled jobs worldwide taken over by machines, and the skilled workforce will be increasingly in demand. Therefore, there will be a change, and we need to embrace that change. After all, we cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. The new age careers would look for well-formed minds and not just well-filled ones. The National Education Policy also proposes the revising and revamping of all aspects of education to create a new system that is aligned with the aspirational goals of the 21st century education, while also building on India's tradition and value system. We at DCG International School also believe in an education system which is rooted in Indian ethos that instills in learners a deep-rooted pride in being Indian. This is all the more important since our students come from all corners of India. Being at the helm of affairs is never an easy task, as one is accountable for the decisions one makes. But this does not take away the joy of mentoring the young minds to be productive citizens of tomorrow. As Tom Hanks said in A League of Their Own, it's supposed to be hard. If it were easy, everyone would do it. Thank you.